How do you hand wash a ceramic coated vehicle? Well, first you're going to want to pull your vehicle inside a garage or in the shade. Always avoid washing in direct sunlight. Start by rinsing your vehicle from top to bottom to remove any loose dirt or debris. You can use a foam cannon prior to doing this as well, like we're doing here, for additional cleaning power. Now we can get into our 2-bucket hand wash. Drop a few ounces of a good pH neutral car soap in your wash bucket and reserve your other bucket for rinsing your wash mitt between passes. This will prevent contamination buildup in your mitt. Work from the top down in overlapping side-to-side motions, never in circles, and use little to no pressure. This is the safest way to hand wash your vehicle. Give your vehicle a final rinse, and all you've got to do now is dry it. Talk about making car care simple. If you're regularly washing your vehicle or vehicles at home, I highly suggest a spotless water system like we've got here in the shop for your final rinse. This will allow you to simply leave the vehicle to air dry or blow it off like we're doing here and eliminate hard water spots. And there you have it. Dress your tires and she's ready to get back on the road.